Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Bitget Wallet private key. If you need to copy the private key for your BTS Wallet account, just follow these simple steps. First, open the app and tap the icon at the top. Once you're there, select your wallet from the top of the screen. Now, look for the private key option and tap on it. Next, choose the coin for which you want to copy the private key. You'll need to enter your account password or use Face ID for verification. Once verified, your private key will be displayed. However, for security reasons, you won't be able to copy it directly. You can only view the digits. If you need to back it up, take note of it and store it safely. Some coins share the same private key, while others have individual ones. If you need to access your account seed phrase or password, tap View and wait a few seconds. Then enter your password again, and your details will be displayed. Once you're done, click on Backup to save everything properly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.